Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Please like and subscribe. We're visiting Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, and making a quick stop in El Segundo. We're now in Manhattan Beach, walking north towards the Manhattan Beach Pier from the Hermosa Beach Pier. Come along with us to see the beach, the piers, beach volleyball, surfing, and our usual order at one of our favorite restaurants. Manhattan Beach is probably about a 10-minute drive from LAX, and one of our favorite restaurants to go to is here. It is called the Kettle, and it is open 24 hours. So if you have people visiting from out of town and you live in the LA area, it's a great place to take them no matter what time they arrive at the airport, if you're going there to pick them up, or if you're flying in from somewhere to visit Disneyland or Universal Studios or something like that. It is a great place to stop if you're renting a car and you're hungry and you want somewhere to eat before driving to your hotel. Manhattan Beach is also a great place to visit because they have lots of stores and restaurants just right up from the beach. It's the home of Skechers. If you like their shoes, that's where their offices are. So I always feel like I'm buying local when I buy Skechers. It's a good place to shop, eat, enjoy the beach. And there's a little aquarium at the end of the pier too. Oh, it does look like something's going on. August 18th through the 20th, Manhattan Beach Pier. I'm guessing volleyball. Manhattan Beach is like the home to like volleyball. I guess maybe we should have looked that up. It's beach volleyball. It's really big here. Yeah, there is an event going on right now. We did not know that. We wondered why we couldn't find anywhere to park. There are lots of tents and stuff set up on the beach. Well, that should be interesting. Yeah. If you happen to be here when there's an event like surfing or beach volleyball or something like that, then often there's lots of tents with even more little shops set up promoting different brands and things that you might like. Sometimes you get like a free sample of some flavored sparkling water or something like that, or an energy bar or whatever they happen to be promoting. We were able to find a street parking spot between Manhattan Beach and Hermosa Beach, which Hermosa Beach is the next beach south, and we were planning on walking down there anyway. So one thing that we were a little confused by, because we don't come here all that often, is it talks about resident parking passes, but we asked someone who lives here and she said that just means that if you're a resident, like in one of these houses, you can park here for free. So that doesn't mean that you can't park here if you're not a resident. So we're just gonna go ahead and use our credit card to pay for parking.
So $8 for 4 hours. It's $2 per hour.
We are currently walking on what's called the Strand, which is a walkway, bicycle path right along the beach. And I think it goes all the way from like, I mean, at least Santa Monica down to Redondo. So it's like El Segundo, Manhattan Beach, Hermosa, Redondo. And we are walking through Hermosa right now. We're gonna go down to the pier and then we're gonna turn around and head up to Manhattan Beach and see what chaos is going on up there today.
Yeah, like, no. They're like, do you guys want to take anything home?
Tsunami hazard zone. So right down from the pier, there are a bunch of restaurants and stores, and if I remember correctly, there's also a parking garage down here. But we happen to get street parking. I have not eaten at these places because we always eat at the same place in Manhattan Beach. Once you get your favorite, you just get your favorite.
Yeah.
But they're probably worth trying. If you need some beach toys or something. Our kids would be begging for a ball or a shovel. Well, we got gelato that one time. It was over here, wasn't it? I'm gonna look at the menu. Look at the keys. Okay, we'll think about it. I bet this is pretty at night too when the lights are on.
Yeah. I
like the benches. It's like my favorite color.
Yeah.
The clock is even that color, the blue. I mean, if the Kettle ends up being like really crowded or something, I wouldn't be super disappointed to like just go back and get a piece of quiche and some gelato.
Yeah.
You know.
I don't know, Bonaparte Bistro is.
I don't know. Here's the menu.
Yeah, no, I just want that one. Okay.
Looks kind of piratey. I don't know. Brunch menu from 10 to 2:30. I'm gonna take a picture.
We're gonna sit down a little bit later and kind of go. Some places are completely dead, and some places are completely packed.
Yeah, here's another one. Voted best barbecue. Ooh, Brazilian barbecue. So that's not like barbecue.
Nice. Oh, good.
Brunch and live music from 10 to 1. So that's where the music's coming from. Hennessy's. I feel like that caught fire like 10 years ago or something. Tomato bisque. That might be good.
Ooh, I love this.
All right, let's walk down the pier. If we went that way, we'd be headed to Redondo Beach,
Right.
which is also lots of stores, restaurants, playground near the beach. It's a great place. Yeah. I've been recording this whole time.
Oh wow. Okay. It's like you got your announcer voice on. And if we go to the left, you'll see shops and restaurants.
Yeah.
Anything your heart desires.
Yeah, you know it. You can be my tour guide voice. We are on the Hermosa Beach Pier right now. So lots of sailboats out there and stuff. So if you can see the pier in the distance, that way, that is the Manhattan Beach Pier. And then down that way would be headed towards Redondo Beach. In the Palos Verdes Peninsula. On a clear day, you can see Catalina Island. We're gonna sit on a bench for a minute, watch the waves. Bench just opened up, I know. I'll sit here for a minute. It's like perfect weather today. One thing you know when you've moved from Hermosa Beach to Manhattan Beach is Hermosa Beach has the bike lane and the walking lane is together. So the bicycles and pedestrians are together, and in Manhattan Beach there's a separate bike path from the pedestrian path. We're now in Manhattan Beach, walking north towards the Manhattan Beach Pier from the Hermosa Beach Pier. And I can see like a ton of stands and everything set up for whatever this volleyball thing is. There's like a huge volleyball. Something good just happened. We're exciting. So it says AVP Manhattan Beach Open Gold Series. I mean, I guess you can kind of see what's going on from here. Ryan?
Oh, thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Orange exuberance. So you can kind of see what's going on from here. Do you want to go over to the pier? So like I can see like it's girls volleyball. I can see one team. I can't see what's going on the other side of the net. We can go over to the pier, that we can see from the pier.
Yeah,
well, maybe not. Let's try it.
Go to the pier?
So case in point, when there's an event going on, a lot of times you get to try a sample of something you've never heard of before. Organic yerba, what is this? Orange exuberance, 4% juice, non-carbonated, shake gently, serve chilled.
I didn't shake it, but it's not all that good.
Maybe you need to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. It's cold.
Yeah.
They had it on ice. I'll shake mine later and try it.
Yep.
A bunch of tents down there probably also like either selling things or promoting things. Do you want to walk down?
Yeah. The longer I drink it, the less horrible it is.
That's a huge endorsement. Longer I drink it, the less horrible it is.
Yeah, that first sip was nasty.
Like bitter or just watery or?
Like, I don't know, watered down lemonade with turmeric in it.
So we reached the Manhattan Beach Pier. I don't know what this road is called. The Kettle is just up there, which we often like to eat at.
I think it's Manhattan Beach Boulevard.
Manhattan Beach Boulevard? Yeah, that makes sense.
You check out our bike.
Yogurt?
Okay.
Paradise Bowl is yogurt?
Yeah. Road closed. We don't have to wait for anything. Kona, big wave. What is that? Liquid Aloha. OVP Manhattan Beach open.
You know where we are.
Welcome to Manhattan Beach Pier. Catching great white sharks is illegal. Oh man.
Darn.
Yeah, let's just.
There are great white sharks out there.
Yes. That is what that means. Speaking of beach volleyball, this is what they mean when they say home of beach volleyball, I guess. Oh, hey, they have a screen, so you can see what's going on. History of the Manhattan Beach Pier. So we're in Manhattan Beach right now, and that way is El Segundo, and just north of El Segundo is the airport, is LAX. So it's a really quick drive to get down here if you're flying into LAX. You can even go to the beach and watch the planes take off from El Segundo. Dockweiler Beach. So there's an aquarium down at the end of the pier. It's kind of small. I think it's donations. I don't think there's an actual entrance fee. And then down here we have some surfers, Manhattan Beach. A lot of people surf off the pier. The water is cold in California year-round out, even if you're here in the summer on a one day. Alright, so here's the little aquarium. Oh, where's the shark? There's usually always a shark. Free aquarium. Donations appreciated. Do you want to go inside? That's Emma. Hi.
Hello, welcome. Where are you two visiting from today?
Stella.
Awesome. Feel free to explain.
Sometimes the easiest one to start with is the star because they can't move when you touch them. They just kind of feel like a ball.
Is that a little shark? Is that like a
So the leopard shark?
leopard shark? I was gonna say tiger shark. I'm like, no, that's not it.
That's not a tiger shark.
What's that? I guess it tells you what kind of fish.
Maybe they did it. Something did its head off.
Kelp forest tank. Swell shark. It's a swell shark.
Oh. That was great.
You don't have to guess. You can actually, it's a cute little shark. There's a touch tank. I don't really want to do the touch tank. Oh, look at what's in here.
No, okay, it's all right. Thank you, though. Oh, look at this one, though. Look, this one is right now.
There's the shark. The shark used to be outside. Okay, what do we have in here? Eels.
Oh, that's so weird at the side of its head. Like,
Reminds me of Little Mermaid and like Ursula.
yeah.
The starfish are pretty. Can we go upstairs? Manny, the great white shark.
They have very sharp.
Male ocean seal skull.
I thought you said whale.
Orca whale skull. So that's chamois right there. Bottlenose dolphin skull. No animals upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Ooh, jellyfish. Jellyfish are so pretty.
Pero si pones basura en el océano o tiras basura, ellas van a morir.
Looks like a goldfish. Seahorse. Ooh.
That thing's huge. That's
Spiny.
that's what they catch to eat. Wow. Hey Dave, look at that abalone. It's like this big.
Blue whale rib cage. It's huge. So I guess the Kettle's about 2 blocks in?
Yeah.
2 blocks in from the pier?
Yeah.
And it's uphill.
Looks like it's pretty current.
Yeah.
Outside
Outside would be nice. Chicken tortilla soup, carrot raisin muffin, and then a Cobb salad on the way. We got to sit outside and kind of a peekaboo view of the ocean. Cold chicken cob. Okay. So here's Skechers. We're gonna cross. Like, road's blocked off. We could just walk down the road. Right? Those people are walking up the road. It is a crowded spot.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go look around down there and then walk back? What's that? This is ale free? All free. All free what?
Hi, so this is Suntory all free. There's no calories, no carbs, no alcohol, but it's created the same way as beer is brewed. Unlike other alcohol-free beers, the difference is that they have to strip out the alcohol and a lot of the flavoring to make it alcohol-free or low alcohol percentage. With this, it's the same exact brewing process, except we don't ferment it, which creates the alcohol. So it still tastes like beer.
Interesting.
I'll try it, yeah.
Why not? Right?
All right.
Crack the cold one on the meantime.
Actually, I'll probably stick with this. I'll drink it later. Yeah.
Thank you.
So much.
Volcanic water?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Thank you.
That looks good.
There you go, naturally alkaline water from Hilo, Hawaii.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
And then these are all ocean plastic bottles with 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Hey, I guess we didn't need to bring sunscreen.
Yeah.
You want to sit in the corner? Oh, we made it to Hermosa.
Yeah.
Hey, have fun.
So behind us is Dogweiler Beach in El Segundo, and then to our left, that's LAX. That's the airport right over there. Since we're down in El Segundo, we decided to try to find Mattel headquarters just to see where it is. Oh, there it is. See the building? It says Mattel on top. They have a toy store and it's open. Let's go in. Want to look inside the Mattel toy store? I've included a link to my Mattel toy store video in the description box. It's a must-see. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you like this video, share it with a friend. See you next time.